In a world sometimes divided by differences, there exists a beacon of hope where education knows no boundaries. Welcome to the heartwarming realm of the Fratelli Association, an answer of both Marists and La Salle congregations aiming to offer social and educative help to displaced children and young people, offering not just knowledge, but a sense of belonging and support. As we celebrate the International Day of Human Fraternity, our mission stands clear: to provide educational and social assistance to those in need, irrespective of race, religion, or gender. Join us on this journey of inclusivity and empowerment, where every child's potential is nurtured and every dream is given wings to fly. Together, let's build a future where kindness and understanding reign supreme, creating a world where every child has the opportunity to thrive. This is not just a story, it's a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity.